Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, February 12, 2021 on our channel. BITZER extends application limits for CSH screw compressors. Tribe builds fleet with Carrier Transicold refrigeration units equipped with solar panels. Alfa Laval's new BHE factory in Italy has secured an ISO 55001. Promising career opportunities with Johnson Controls Chillers Technical Learning. Airedale International evolves logo to reflect global strategy. GEA Sustainable Energy Solutions significantly improve plant efficiency and reduce CO2 emissions. So, first news today. BITZER extends application limits for CSH screw compressors. BITZER is contributing to the decarbonization of the heating sector. The specialist for refrigeration and air conditioning technology has raised the standard envelope soffit CSH screw compressors, making them even more energy efficient and suitable for the extended use in large-scale industrial heat pumps. The CSH series can now be operated with R134A, R513A and R1234E up to a maximum evaporation temperature of 30 degrees Celsius and maximum condensing temperature up to 80 degrees Celsius. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Tribe builds fleet with Carrier Transicold refrigeration units equipped with solar panels. Tribe Transportation is expanding its fleet with 111 new 53-foot trailers equipped with Carrier Transicold X4 7500 refrigeration units to help it meet demand in the fast-growing life sciences sector, which includes the transport of pharmaceutical products. The acquisition includes Carrier Transicold TRU mount solar panels, which help to maintain the charge of the refrigeration unit batteries. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Alfa Laval's new BHE factory in Italy has secured an ISO 55001. Few organizations globally have managed to obtain it. ISO 55001, asset management is a powerful tool to better understand, monitor and support strategies as well as improve performance and manage risk. On top of the accomplishment of becoming certified, the journey towards certification was selected as best practice by the independent auditors who carried out the evaluation. And quote, "This is a fantastic achievement," end quote, says Massimo Balestrini, Vice President Operations and President PGBHE/FHE and AMP, WHE. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Promising career opportunities with Johnson Controls Chillers Technical Learning. Johnson Controls Chillers Technical Learning prepares students for promising careers in HVAC. By Dean Johnson, Lead Instructor, Johnson Controls. Today's high school students face a multitude of opportunities after graduation, going to college, starting a full-time job, or even taking a gap year to decide what they truly want to do in life. For many, the decision on which path to take may seem confusing and intimidating. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Airedale International evolves logo to reflect global strategy. Airedale International is evolving its logo to highlight the relationship with parent company Modine, supporting its business strategy to become a global giant in data center cooling. Airedale, which was acquired by US-based thermal management group Modine back in 2005, has gone from strength to strength since forming in 1974, building a reputation for quality and efficiency which has led to worldwide success, particularly in Europe, the Middle East and East Asia. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. GEA Sustainable Energy Solutions significantly improve plant efficiency and reduce CO2 emissions. Potential energy savings of up to 30% and a significant reduction in CO2 emissions by as much as 90 or even 100%. GEA Sustainable Energy Solutions, SENSE, offering integrates processes and utilities, refrigeration and heating, solutions, allowing GEA experts to develop optimization strategies for customers in diverse industries. Numerous successfully completed SENSE projects from GEA show. These optimizations reduce the customer's energy footprint and running costs, without compromising output or the bottom line. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.